So tonight we are out here practicing with the Farmall Cub, which is from the 40s. So cool. Still works great. And we're trying to figure out the planting widths for the corn that we want to get in the ground soon. So we're kind of practicing out in the soil to see what lines and width we want to do in order to use that cultivator on the Farmall Cub vintage tractor. Oh, it's so pretty. Kind of a romantic shot right there. So if we look at the rows here, we can see the areas where the tines didn't go through. So there, and gosh, it's hard to show here. There and there. And it's about 45 inches across. And this will help guide how we plant, because we want to get planted in a good straight row so that it's really slick to take that cub through, and it's just so much more efficient than what we've been doing. I'm really excited because not only do I love old tractors, and I just think it's really nostalgic and neat and special, but the fact that it still works and it functions like it always did for years and years and years is really, really cool to me. So it's just going to be kind of satisfying on a couple levels. I'm really excited that we're figuring this out, because to date we've been using other methods to till and manage weeds, and it's just kind of getting out of hand. Like, it's become to a point where the scale is too big, and I have been doing a lot of hand weeding or with manual tools like the stirrup hoe, which works good, but for this size of a garden, where we're talking almost 1/3 of an acre, which is quite large, it's just not a good sustainable thing. It's a lot of wear and tear on my body, and it's a lot of time, and I would rather be spending it in other ways. We also have a gas-powered earthquake tiller, which has been great, but again, it's something that isn't great for the scale of a garden. It's better for smaller gardens like our vegetable garden. So we're really excited and crossing fingers that the Cub Farmall is a really good fit for what we want to do. I think her new hobby is running around in tilled dirt. Come on.